Everyone, this is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 1/12/2026. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2025 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball 4-box break 1. Break 2 and 3 are on the site, guys. Check it out. Great prices for a 4-boxer. All right, numbered cards we pulled. All right, to 75, you have a Paul Skeens. If that wasn't good enough, you got a Paul Skeens to 99. We've got a Freddie Franchise to 50. We pulled 2 relics. Tarek Skubal. And a little Mookie Betts. Autos. All right, for the non-baseball spot. This is to 50. Skylar Austin. Not numbered, Laura Prepone. Baseball autos. Westbrook. Jamie Westbrook for the Red Sox. Jeez. Jace Young for the Tigers. David Wright for the Mets. And numbered to 99, Brooks Lee for the Twins. All right, guys, appreciate you filling it up. More baseball on the site.